Hi, my name is Milda Manamaitite. I'm the Innovation Director at the Railway Industry Association. Today we are supporting Innovate UK at their Rail Innovation Exhibition, speaking with exhibitors, innovators and various suppliers to understand what was the journey for them from the beginning of the idea, receiving funding, going through various accelerators, and what is next once the proof of concept has been developed. So follow us today when we speak with various suppliers, learn about their journeys and learning about what's next. Hi Jeremy, good to see you here at Innovate UK Rail Innovation Exhibition. What are you showcasing today?
A joint project between Fraser Nash Consultancy and Evifile Limited to help Network Rail and contractors optimise and deliver their railway possessions.
We innovate sustainably in a nutshell. We've been going since the 50s and it's all been around about sustainability, recycling, upcycling, repurposing, but always with that innovative edge.
Fuel Active allows operators of diesel equipment to ingest only the cleanest fuel by drawing from the upper level as opposed to the lower level. The lower level is where contaminants like water and sediment will sit, and because it's heavier it separates out very stably, whereas Fuel Active using a floating pickup draws from the upper level where the cleanest diesel fuel is available.
The concept is combining multiple sensor outputs from different technologies that we've developed to integrate with Network Rail's operations and maintenance procedures to help them increase reliability of their infrastructure and assets monitoring.
We're a software engineering company, active in the rail industry for about 20 years plus now, and working on a wide variety. So generally we help our clients develop products, but occasionally we have the bright idea or two of our own, and through Innovate and SBRI we're able to bring some of those forward.
As you can see, when the crack appears, these healing agents are able to automatically release the healing agent and then heal the crack. So this is what we're trying to achieve, to actually make sure that the sleepers, retaining wall, concrete structures in the railway sector can be able to self-heal automatically like our skin.
We're here presenting one of our first-of-a-kind projects, which is delivering low-cost power supplies that can be connected to provide 25 kV to trains where the power is needed.
We're actually demonstrating two of our first-of-a-kind success stories. The first one is Hubble's automated digital line-side inspection service, and the second one is automating freight access rights. So one is very much in infrastructure monitoring, the other one is in very much rail freight growth and modal shift by using data to make it a more open and accessible market for freight customers.
Our company is One Big Circle. We're specialists in intelligent video, and our product is AVA, which is automated intelligent video review. And it's all about getting data from trains to people that need to see it and overcoming all the technical challenges there are around that. So engineers across all disciplines and all routes and regions can see the data and get intelligence on that to enable them to then work remotely.
Anti-trespass panel we've got here, that was developed out of a Network Rail contract. They had a contract and a call for anti-trespass solutions. There were the standard in-track panels. We've come up with this design here. It's made from recycled aircraft tyres.
We reached a point where we needed to demonstrate it on real live infrastructure, and that's where the first-of-a-kind process has really helped us, as much in opening doors and enabling us to create partnerships with other parts of the industry as actually in the funding itself.
The funding has been really valuable for us in different stages of our process. So in the first instance, it was a really good opportunity to network and meet with people and understand what the challenges were and whether our capabilities could create a solution. More recently, we've been able to apply for funding to develop specific things based on our product. So in fact, it's been able to adapt to meet how we've evolved as a company, which has been really beneficial.
We've got a couple of things that we've done based around video analytics primarily. So we've got one called TIDS, Trespass Identification Deterrent System. That's been trialled for the past year at a couple of locations.
So the next stage is just continuous development of what the system's capabilities are, particularly the optical kind of analytics of the camera. So at the moment the system is reporting on high impacts detected by pantograph and say overhead line, and it's now taking those events and classifying them so that Network Rail understand what the event was immediately and know whether to action it or not.
Don't start from a technology, start from a problem that has a real business case in the industry. There are millions of technologies out there seeking funding. what we need is solutions to real railway problems. And last but not least, don't underestimate the challenge is not in the technology, it's in integrating into a very big, complex railway system. So allow yourself time to understand, research and properly handle the integration of your new innovation with the wider railway network.
The advice would be, if you have a product that you feel people can benefit from, that you feel is unique, then definitely reach out to the likes of Innovate UK, explore the opportunities that you can get through R&D investment, and yeah, absolutely go for it.
We've had a couple of attempts at getting smart grants, third time lucky. From
the get-go, having the buy-in and support and commitment from someone within Network Rail or an end user who was really interested in this all. So throughout the process, we regularly had stakeholder workshops. We sat down with Callum Duncan from the TransPennine route upgrade, and he really championed what we were doing, and that feedback was incredibly useful for actually delivering the final product.
So the freight access right is just finished first of a kind, so we're in that post-project commercialisation stage. So we had a long pilot, about 6 months, and we're obviously being supported to take that and actually get the benefits I mentioned in the keynote room earlier around actually unlocking that to drive revenue growth. So we're going through that process, and yeah, I'm hoping obviously that succeeds. Hubble's a really good example of what success looks like from first of a kind. So Hubble, again, 2019, it's a very, very small project with Anglia route, and that has grown route by route to be a market-leading solution that has delivered a lot of benefit, not only to Network Rail's frontline teams in terms of safety, boots off ballast, but also like incident prevention and moving to a data-driven work bank, which ultimately, delivers for the taxpayer as well. Freight access right is right at the start of that journey. Hubble is, mature. It's been rolled out. We've got a lot more to do with it, of course, in the change part, but the technology is well proven, and it's got like a good contrast. It can show you where the success can be, even though you're only starting, straight out of a first of a kind, because yeah, without that first of a kind funding Hubble and the support from Network Rail, Innovate UK and all the other partners, Crosstech wouldn't be where it is, Hubble wouldn't be where it is, we wouldn't have all that talent, that computer vision capability in rail, it wouldn't be there.
Next in our journey is delivering the first rail charging inverter to feed real trains. This time next year we should be switching it on. It's been an exciting day for everyone, and we really hope to be rolling them out the following year, so delivering on mainline railway in 2025.
We've achieved an enterprise licence with Network Rail, which is fantastic, so now thousands of users are using it every day. But we know we're greater than the sum of our parts, so we're really looking forward to more collaborations, working with the other brilliant suppliers that are around here as well, creating that bigger digital picture of what people need to see. So yeah, it's all about those integrations and collaborations.
We had a great day today here supporting Innovate UK at the Rail Innovation Exhibition in Birmingham. I hope you enjoyed listening to the stories from suppliers, and we hope to see you very soon at the next RIA event, and stay tuned for next RIA Rail TV episode.